In this second tutorial, what we're going to do is to change the secondary weapon in a similar way we did with the primary weapon, but in this case the process is going to be a bit shorter. The idea is to go to the photon prefabs, and we'll have there the pistol. You have to find the pistol here. We're going to duplicate it, and we're going to call it pistol 2. Then we open it, and we're going to substitute the meshes as we did with the primary weapon. The idea is to get one of the models, as you can see here, and we're going to add it to the pistol. Then we're going to go to the prefab and we're going to unpack it. Then we're going to erase all the things we don't need, as the plane and the lights and all those things that are not necessary. And yeah, the camera and everything. So you have to adjust also the scale. Now it's very small, so let's see if we can adjust it. It's going to be quite a big change for the scale. So let's do it manually. And yeah, like that. Seems to be more or less okay. Now we're going to adjust the rotation and the position of the weapon. Going to be there like that, more or less. Now what we do is we put this inside the pistol weapon, and then we erase the body. And as you can see, we have also the slider here, which is going to correspond to one piece of this weapon, that is this one here. It's going to be the plane 01. As you can see, this moves like this, so that is going inside the slider. And then the slider mesh render, you can get and erase it, as you can see. So I think this is all prepared to test it already. Yes, we don't have to do anything else. You can adjust the position of the hands if you want by selecting this two and checking if they are more or less situated or located in the correct position. In this case, you can see that we can move it a little bit forward, and it will be perfectly fine. Now the idea is to reference to that new pistol in our script. To do so, we go to the player avatar, new, and inside of that we have to go to the gun position, and we have there the pistol manager. You can see it there. Okay, and the idea is that if we open the script, that's going to take some time. I'm going to cut the video for a second. So as the game was designed for only one weapon, we have it here as you can see here as the pistol already. You have to change that into pistol 2, okay, to make it work. Additionally, you could generate here a public variable in which you can change the name from the editor, but as we use, I repeat, one single weapon for the secondary weapon, it's not necessary to do it if you don't want to. You just go to the script and change it there. You save this. Okay, I'm going to remember the line. The line is going to be 61 in the pistol manager script that is inside this game object here that says gun position, sorry. And whenever everything is ready to run, we're going to just press the play button. I'm going to check if my glasses are connected to the. Well, okay, I'm in. Let's create a room really fast, just for testing, and let's see if it works. Okay, so well, yeah, there's my. I'm sorry, my secondary weapon there. Well, it has a light. You have to take off the light too, because you can see that it has light, and you will see that now I can pull. Yeah, you can see that I can pull the slider part to the weapon. Yeah, okay. So if I get this one that I haven't changed it yet, but you can do it on your own, and I put it inside, you will see that it has snapped into the weapon. And now I'm going to load the weapon. You can see that it works perfectly with no errors on the script. And if I pull this back again, the bullets are instantiated without any kind of problem. So I'm going to pause this, and thanks for watching this video. This is how we can achieve a modification of the pistol, as you can see, pistol 02. And remember that if you have some lights or cameras, as you can see here, you must disable them in order to make it work properly. So, thanks very much for watching.